Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair additional mesh node to ASUS LYRA mesh. And to do this, first you will need to connect the power cord to the ASUS mesh node, one that you'll be pairing. And I have connected mine already. In case this setup doesn't work for you, you can retry it after resetting your mesh by clicking on the reset button and then holding it for a few seconds after it boots up, and then that way it will reset. Then wait another minute and start pairing as I will show you right now. So what we need to do inside the app is to open the ASUS router app, then click on add node right here, select get started, and now we need to wait till our device is visible. If it doesn't show up, we'll need to click and hold the pairing button on the right side of our mesh until it starts flashing with the green light, like it is right now. We can go and click on get started again. And here's the node that was found, and we can check the name right here on underneath the mesh. Now click on it, then select apply. And here we need to wait till the setup is finished. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. There was a connection failure, which in case you have the same problem, click on retry and it will reset your device. And now we just need to wait till it shows up in the list again. Click on it and then try pairing. Sometimes it happens multiple times and you just need to keep on trying because there's basically no other way. Okay, so after 3 tries, I've managed to actually connect them between each other. And if you're having the same problem, just keep on trying, and at some point it should connect. I've tried it multiple times with those meshes, and they just work like this. So just keep on trying and it should be good. Now we can click on done and it's finished. You will be able to see your new node right here in the panel. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.